Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Upwork is an online freelancing platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking various professional services. Established in 2015 through the merger of two previous platforms, Alance and Odesk, Upwork has become one of the largest and most well-known freelancing marketplaces. On Upwork, freelancers can create profiles, showcase their skills and expertise, and offer a wide range of services in categories such as writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, translation, customer support, and more. Clients, on the other hand, can post job listings, search for freelancers based on their skills and experience, and hire them for their projects. The platform allows freelancers to set their own hourly rates or propose fixed project rates, and they have the flexibility to work remotely. Upwork provides tools and features to facilitate collaboration between freelancers and clients, including communication channels, file sharing, time tracking, and invoicing. To ensure a level of trust and security, Upwork incorporates a rating and feedback system. Clients can rate freelancers based on their performance and leave reviews, while freelancers can also rate clients. This system helps establish reputations and provides valuable information for both parties when considering potential collaborations. Upwork offers additional features to support freelancers, such as skills tests that allow them to demonstrate their proficiency in specific areas and certifications. There is also an option to become a top-rated or rising talent freelancer based on performance and client feedback. While Upwork provides a platform for freelancers to find work and clients to hire talent, it's important to note that competition can be significant, and success often depends on factors like the quality of work, communication skills, pricing, and building a strong professional reputation within the platform. Overall, Upwork offers a vast marketplace with a diverse range of services, making it a popular platform for freelancers and clients worldwide. Earn from Upwork by data entry work. You can certainly earn money on Upwork by offering data entry services. Here's a general guide on how to get started. 1. Create a profile. Sign up on Upwork and create a freelancer profile. Provide relevant information about your data entry skills, experience, and any certifications you may have. It's important to highlight your expertise in data entry to attract potential clients. 2. Build a portfolio. Showcase your data entry skills by creating a portfolio of your previous work. If you don't have any previous work samples, you can consider creating sample data entry projects to demonstrate your abilities. This helps clients get an idea of your capabilities and increases your chances of getting hired. 3. Search for data entry projects. Explore the Upwork job listings or use the search function to find data entry projects. You can filter the results based on your preferences, such as project type, budget, or client requirements. 4. Submit proposals. Read the project descriptions carefully and submit tailored proposals that showcase your skills and explain how you can fulfill the client's requirements. Highlight any relevant experience or expertise that makes you suitable for the project. 5. Set competitive rates. Determine your pricing for data entry services. Upwork allows you to set your own rates, but it's important to consider factors like your experience, the complexity of the work, and the rates offered by other freelancers in the market. Starting with competitive rates can help you attract clients initially. 6. Communicate professionally. Once you get hired for a data entry project, maintain professional and clear communication with the client. Understand their requirements, ask for any necessary clarifications, and provide regular updates on the progress of the work. 7. Deliver high-quality work. Ensure that you deliver accurate and error-free data entry work within the agreed-upon timeframe. Attention to detail and precision are crucial in data entry tasks. Meeting or exceeding client expectations can lead to positive feedback and increase your chances of getting more projects in the future. 8. Build your reputation. Aim to earn positive ratings and reviews from your clients. A strong reputation on Upwork can help you attract more clients and higher-paying projects. Consistently delivering quality work and providing excellent customer service are key to building a good reputation. Remember that building a successful freelancing career on Upwork takes time and effort. It's important to continuously improve your skills, stay updated with industry trends, and actively market yourself to stand out from the competition. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.